Black with all the video starts with a black screen. Now let's go with the intro. Warner Bros. Logo is amazing. Now let's start with the video.
Toothless, what do you want to do today? It's a nice day out. Do you want to go fly in? Okay, we're gonna fly safe, not go too fast.
I hope this song is not copyright.
Okay there, bud. We're gonna take this nice and slow. Here we go. Here we go. Position 3. No, 4. It's go time. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Yes, it worked. Sorry.
Oh my gosh, Toothless, oh no, he's dead. I should not hit that rock. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to go that fast. He's dead. Oh my gosh, Toothless, you're back alive. I thought you were dead. We're never doing that, never again. Let's go home. Ow, Toothless, help me, someone shot me. Oh, what happened to me? I have a missing leg. I have a robot leg. Now, long as you're back, Toothless, never doing that, never again.
Thanks for watching. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe, notifications on.